Hi friends, welcome back to our cooking voyage. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click a bell icon for interesting videos. In today's recipe, we are going to see how to prepare mushroom pepper masala. We all know that mushroom is commonly known as vegetarian's meat, which almost resembles the taste of meat and has equal amount of protein that meat can provide. And this goes well with variety rice and dishes like roti, naan and paratha. We just need few ingredients to make this recipe, which is easily available in our pantry. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients required to make mushroom pepper masala. Heat a medium-sized pan. I have used iron pan which gives more flavor to this recipe. Add oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds started popping, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 green chilies and few curry leaves. Saute it for a minute. I have used garlic press to crush the garlic and saute the garlic for a couple of minutes. Now I am going to add finely chopped onions. To make the onions cook little faster, I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Saute until the edges of the onions turns light golden brown. Once the onions are cooked, add in the dry spice powders one by one. I have taken 2 teaspoon red chilli powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala and finally half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix the spice powders with the onion. While mixing the masala, keep the flame to medium or else the spice powder may get burnt. Once the masalas are cooked, add in the diced tomatoes. Saute the tomatoes for a minute. Now you can see the tomatoes are nicely coated with the masala. At this stage, cover and cook the tomatoes until it is soft. Now the tomatoes are cooked. I am adding chopped mushrooms. Mix the mushroom into the masala. Make sure that all the mushrooms are covered with the masala. Once the masalas are mixed, saute for a minute. I'm not going to add any water to the mushrooms because the mushroom itself has a lot of water in it. So I'm just going to cover with the lid and cook it for a couple of minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare garlic and pepper tempering. For that, I have taken 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 teaspoon peppercorns, and finally 6 to 7 garlic cloves. Grind them to a coarse powder and keep it aside. Now you can see the mushroom has got cooked and oozes out a lot of water. I'm going to season it with salt. If you prefer to have like a dry pepper mushroom masala, you can cook it further until all the water gets evaporated. Now the masala is ready. By adding tadka, it will boost the flavor of mushroom pepper masala. For that, I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadai and adding the ground pepper paste and few curry leaves. Saute for a minute. Add the tadka to the masala and give it a mix. And finally garnish it with coriander leaves. The mushroom pepper masala is ready to serve. You can serve this with dishes like variety rice, naan and paratha. Do try this recipe at your home and leave us a comment below. If you like the recipe, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more interesting recipes. Thanks for watching.